Hello, assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm sharing with you my egg sandwich recipe that's going to be melt in your mouth. You must try this recipe. For this we are using the simple ingredient, that is cream cheese, mayonnaise, mustard paste, hot sauce. In this I am adding black pepper, white pepper, garlic powder, hot paprika, and some sea salt. I don't want heat to overpower the egg flavor, that's why I'm just adding pinch of each dry ingredient. Here I have 5 boiled eggs that I have chopped into small pieces. Give everything a good mix. Now I'm chopping some fresh parsley. Fresh parsley has a very aromatic flavor. Chop it finely. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated. Give everything a good mix. Now here I'm using brown bread. You can use milk bread. I'm spreading generous amount of egg mixture on the bread. Be generous with the filling. Now I'm using here Roman lettuce. You can use iceberg lettuce. Cover the top with another piece of bread. Now here on this point you can apply butter on both sides of the sandwich, but for me it's completely fine like this. I'm using my grill sandwich maker to give some grill marks on it, or it will get little crispy from both sides. Repeat the procedure to make more sandwiches. If you don't have a grill sandwich maker, you can use grill pan on the stove and give the marks. It will work perfectly fine. Once the sandwich get the grill marks, then take it out from the sandwich maker and then cut it from the middle. This sandwich is so creamy, yummy, perfectly balanced. You must give it a try. Hope you like my recipe. Please enjoy it with your friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep updated.